Once upon a time, there was a cruel king. He was so cruel that people were afraid to meet him. Once upon a time, when he was sleeping, he dreamed that his teeth are falling down one by one. Suddenly, he woke up and surprised. He drank a glass of water and slept again. In the morning, he called a meeting of ministers. When ministers came, he told them his dream. He asked them what was the meaning of his dream. No any minister was wise to answer his question. They were looking at one another to find out that who will give answer of this question. Next day, it was announced that if anyone gives the answer of the dream, he will be given gifts and prizes. People started to come, but king was not satisfied. An old man came and said, "My lord, I will give the answer." King said, "Okay." He said that the meaning of the dream is that all your relatives will die, but you will live for a long time. See the death of everyone with your own eyes. It will increase your sorrow and grief. King was in anger by getting such meaning. He ordered imprison this person entire life. He was arrested and imprisoned. Next day, a young gentleman came to the palace. He said to the king, "My lord, I will answer your questions." King said, "Do you know, if you will not satisfy me, you will be imprisoned." "I know," said young gentleman. King ordered, "Tell me the meaning of my dream." "Meaning of your dream is that you will see your children, their children, and also their children." King smiled and said, "Give to him whatever he wants to." King was very much happy at that moment. One thing you should remember that your words are important. Select your words in a way that whenever you speak, they always attract to others and their meaning always motivate to others. Your words can change your life, so always speak like a wise man. Speak like an intellectual. Speak like a man who knows everything